Good morning. I am Dr. Johnson Savrimuthu, Department of Mathematics, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. I am going to take partial differential equation. Formation of differential equation. Suppose u and v are any given function of x, y, z. Let f be an arbitrary function of u and v of the form f of u comma v equal to 0. We can form the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function f. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y respectively. Get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x plus dou f by dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou x equal to 0. Similarly, dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z by dou y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y equal to 0. We can replace dou z by dou x equal to p, dou z by dou y equal to q. We have to eliminate dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v from the above equation. Determinant of u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into p, dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou z into p, dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z into q plus into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into q. We get dou u comma v divided by dou of y comma z into p plus dou of u comma v divided by dou of z comma x q equal to dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. This is the linear partial differential equation of the form pp plus qq equal to r, where dou u comma v divided by dou of y comma z equal to p, dou of u comma v divided by dou of z comma x equal to q, dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y equal to r. The above equation is called Lagrangian equation of the partial differential equation of first order. Solution of the PD of first order. In the section, we observe the relation of the form f of x comma y comma z comma a comma b equal to 0. Given rise to PD of the form first order form f of x comma y comma z a comma b equal to 0. Consider the first order PD of the form p of x comma y comma z into dou z by dou x plus a of q of x comma y comma z dou z by dou y equal to r of x comma y comma z into dou z by dou x. Simply, we can write pp plus qq equal to r. Here x and I, y are independent variables. The solution of equation is surface S lie in the x, y, z space is called integral surface. We can given that z of equal to f of x comma is integral surface of the PD. Equation 4, that the normal to the surface with the direction cosine proportional to dou z by dou x dou z by dou y minus 1, that is p q minus 1. The direction of normal vector is perpendicular direction defined by the vector t vector equal to p q r. Any surface integral must be tangential to a vector with the components p q r, and hence we will never leave the integral surface of the solution surface also the total differential dz equal to dou z by dou x into dx plus dou z by dou y into dy. From the equation 4 and 5 we can find out p q r equal to dx dy dz. Cauchy problem for the first order. Consider an interval I of the real line if x naught of s, y naught of s and z naught of s are the three arbitrary functions of single variable s belongs to I, such that they are continuous in the interval I with the first derivative. Then the Cauchy problem for the first order PD of the form f of x comma y comma z comma p comma q equal to 0 is to find a region in xy, the space containing x naught of s, y naught of s for all s belongs to I, and a solution is z equal to pi of x comma y of the PDE. Z belongs to x naught of s and y naught of s. Since s naught of s with pi of x comma y together with its partial derivative with respect to x and y are continuous function of x and y in the region R. Geometrically, there exists a surface z equal to pi of xy which passes through a curve gamma called data curve, whose parametric equations are x equal to x naught of s, y equal to y naught of s and z equal to z naught of s, and at every point of which direction p comma q minus 1 of the normal, then there exists f of x comma y z p comma q equal to 0, and this is only a form of the Cauchy problem for our first order.